Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a different state zip code. We use a zip code when you're trying to apply for a job. They ask for your state, the zip code. It is very important to know your state zip code. You usually use it to send money through all this online money trading. So what you need to do is go to your Google. Go to your Google and search for your different zip code. What you need to do is, for example, now just say, what is a Lagos Island zip code? Oh, code. Just click it. And this is it. It's going to bring the zip code of the Lagos Island. Note, different zip code for different streets. I can say this is it. So this is the code for this. This is the code. Just click on it and you'll be able to copy it. Okay, just copy. Now for you to use, it's very important. If you know you're in a certain area in a certain state, just go to your Google, search for the zip code and copy it somewhere, because it's very important to know the zip code of your street or your area. So the case you need it to fill any form when you're applying for any job, because they usually need it for payment purpose. They get Sorry guys, they have to get a zip code and a Swift bank code for you to be able to accept money online. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys.